Hey everyone, it's Jen. I hope you're doing well. This video is a quick look at the Jordan 4 Red Thunder releasing tomorrow, Saturday, January 15th in full family sizing. My pair is the grade school version in a size 5.5Y or youth, which is equivalent to a men's 5.5. Shout out to Hibbett Sports for the early pair. The color blocking is identical to the Jordan 4 Thunder from 2006 and 2012, except the yellow is replaced with red or crimson. The upper is black nubuck with hits of red on the midsole, crowns, netting, tongue, and outsole. This new colorway is clean. I do prefer the original Thunder colorway, but let me know your thoughts. One thing I'm still waiting for is for Jordan Brand to go back to the Jordan 4's original shape, specifically the toe box shape, which used to be sleeker. The 4s now have this round duckbill shape to them. Is that something you've been waiting for as well, or is it just me? Also, something to note, the quality control is pretty bad on my pair. There are a ton of glue stains and minor paint issues. Unfortunately, the black nubuck really makes the glue stains stand out, but hopefully the majority of pairs don't have these flaws. Sizing wise, I have a narrow foot, went true to size, and they fit well. For reference, I go true to size in the Jordan 1 and 3, and most Air Maxes like the 1, 90, and 95. That wraps up the video. Let me know if you have any questions and if you plan on trying for a pair. Thanks for watching.